Today at FoneFunShop we are unboxing the iBrit folding electronic scooter. Let's take a look inside.
So first of all, on first impressions, black foldable scooter, up to 25 kilometers max speed, that works out about 15 miles an hour, up to 5 hours charging, and it's 13.5 kilos, so it's very simple and easy to carry. Let's see what we've got inside. So we've got a user manual with all the instructions showing you how it folds together, how to power it on and off, how you use it in different conditions like rain, wind. Pop that just down in.
Nice foam padding to protect the product.
So finally we get to the scooter itself. Just pop it over here for a second, just while I start unboxing it. So what we've got, a set of handlebars, so it's going to want screwing down with these screws, two there and two there on either side. So we've popped this wire inside, pop that down, align these up, and then there should be two screws there and two screws there, which I'll screw in a second once I've just stabilised it. I'm just going to take this padding off at the moment. And then we've got a kickstand, which is here. Just stand that up. It's going to make it easier for me, to put it together. This is the foldable part. You clip that together. When you want to release it, push up, and then it folds back down again. Inside the packaging, you also get a mains charger, a screwdriver, and 4 screws, which these screws will hold the handlebars in place. It's a pretty straightforward process to do. Align the screw holes up, pop the screw in, twist it a little bit, and then tighten it up with a screwdriver. Coming to switching it on, there's a little button underneath. If you press and hold it 2 seconds, it powers the device on. You hear a beep. Then on top here, you've got an indicator that shows you your miles per hour and how much battery life you've got. If you push the button again once while it's on, you'll see a light come on here and also a brake light at the back. If you push it again, it turns the lights off. If you press and hold for 2 seconds, it turns the actual device off. In order to steer left and right, this is your brake. You've got a nice little bell, and then in order to make it accelerate, you just push down on this when it's on and it would move forward. But you have to make sure the kickstand is off first before you move forward. This can be purchased at FoneFunShop on www.fonefunshop.com. Thank you.